Tired of the 9-to-5 van dreaming of earning passive income while helping others get organized? Let's dive into the surprisingly lucrative world of selling Notion templates and find out just how much money you can really make. First, understand the market. Notion's popularity is booming, so there's a huge demand for templates. Income varies wildly. Selling simple templates on platforms like Etsy might net you a few dollars per sale, but selling complex, specialized templates on your own website or a dedicated marketplace can earn you hundreds, even thousands, per month. The key: niche down, focus on specific professions, hobbies, or needs. The more targeted, the better. Next, consider pricing. Research similar templates to get a feel for the market rate. Don't undersell your value. Factor in the time and effort you put into creating high-quality, functional templates. Start with competitive pricing, then gradually increase it as you build your reputation and gather positive reviews. Offering bundled templates at a discount can also boost sales. Finally, create irresistible templates. Focus on solving a specific problem or need. Make sure they're visually appealing, easy to use, and customizable. Include clear instructions and support documentation. Promote your templates on social media, Notion communities, and your own website. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews. High-quality templates combined with smart marketing are your ticket to Notion template riches. So, what are you waiting for? Start creating and selling.